All boats made it back out. Again, nice job for everybody. Sorry about the delay, but we wanted the course to be right.
Second heat, A runabout.
They're all spread out. Watch them then start to bunch up as who wants lane one. They go around those three green buoys and make that run for the clock. With 12 seconds left on the clock, listen to the engines. 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Mike Bowden was going to make a good start, then it seemed like he backed out of it. So it looked like
Bob Smiley's right in the thick of the thing. Had a great start. He's on the outside.
all the boats out of the corner. With the lead boat being in the lead, and second and third, battling it out for second and third. Now going from second to third to second. Look at the back with Granger.
Immediately. Oh my God!
No, they all see him.
And who's in the water this time?
Bob Smiley.
Smiley.